So, eating raw, whole flax seeds every single day, you're actually doing it completely wrong.
Why? Those tough outer shells literally block digestion. Grinding them makes those powerful nutrients instantly absorbable.
Plus, raw seeds pack sneaky compounds called cryogenic glycosides that actively block nutrient absorption. Crazy, right? The secret fix is heat. A quick, low-heat roast safely deactivates those pesky nutrient blockers.
Prepped correctly, this superfood unleashes massive, proven benefits for your heart, your gut, and blood sugar. Get this, regularly eating it can actually drop your bad LDL cholesterol by a whole 9%. To safely unlock these perks, just toss your seeds in a dry pan for 5 to 7 minutes.
You'll know they're perfectly roasted when they get a bit darker and smell absolutely delicious and nutty. Next up, grab a coffee grinder and process the completely cooled seeds in small batches, short pulses.
Careful though, grinding too long creates heat that'll accidentally turn your powder straight into flaxseed butter.
See, grinding exposes delicate omega-3s to the air, making them super vulnerable to oxidation or spoiling. To stop that rapid spoilage, always store your freshly ground powder tight in the fridge or freezer. Yep, unless it's a special cold-milled brand, home-ground flax spoils in literally 7 days at room temp.
So if your stash ever smells sour or fishy, it's rancid. Toss it out right away.
For the best results, drink flax water in the morning or sprinkle it over salads and soups.
Soaking it, it creates a soluble fiber gel that boosts digestion and keeps you feeling full way longer.
You can even mix ground flax with water and chill it to completely replace eggs in baking. Just stick to 1 or 2 tablespoons a day to score all these incredible science-backed health benefits. Crucial rule here, always drink extra water to keep all that amazing fiber moving smoothly through you. Now you finally know how to unlock this superfood. So what are you going to make tomorrow morning?